So thanks for that question, Ma'am Mary Vic. This is one way na makadiretso mo sa ako and hopefully you can get in touch with me even without going to Cebu. Join the Facebook group. Some patients can post their mga x-rays. They post their mga results. Others will go message direct sa group chat. And sa kadaghan sa mga questions, I cannot really answer all the questions sa group chat. That's why we have this Facebook Live. Also, hopefully soon, no, we can have a get-together, mga meet and greet. So, I hope that answers your question, Ma'am Mary Vic. And going to our questions from the Facebook group. We're going sa ACL Reconstruction Community Cebu. So, again, this is from Erolihe. Good morning, Doc. Nagpa-check up me last January 8 and ang findings is injured yun ang tuhod. And we need an MRI first. But as of today, wala pa man good me financial para sa operation. So, can I ask a medical certificate? Yes, definitely. So, if you don't know, we actually do both private surgeries and charity surgeries para sa tuhod. And if you have financial issues, we can definitely help you. But to understand unsay mga needs o mga problems sa mga patient,